it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and today I'm bringing you my Citrus Twist April kit. So this arrived a couple of days ago, but I thought I'd show you the goodies that we get in this kit. So if I can get it all out of the packaging, we'll start off with the papers. So we have some 6x8 papers this time. And if I can get in the packaging, you tell I've not been in this yet. Oh, so we have a beautiful wood grain, and this goes from pink through to yellow. These are all single-sided. We've got a nice bright colourful stripe. Oh, we need some sunny days. We've got a blue with a cross. We've got like some little peaks, mountains, funny looking half circles. We've got a beautiful floral, a nice plain wood grain. We've got some lemons, beautiful sky, I really like that one. We've got a nice pink stripe, another nice vivid black and white, this one polka dots. We've got a yellow and then a gorgeous rainbow. So we're definitely getting into nice summer colours. For the cutter part, we get lots of little labels. Now I know there is also printables now available on the website, so I might have to have a look at those. And then we've got So Undeniably You, and this is like a long card. I'm not sure whether that's traveller's notebook size. Maybe it's time to get my traveller's notebook out. And then for 4x6 we've got highlights, and then we've got this gorgeous grid one with a little heart on the bottom, and then we have this beautiful teal with like little leaves, and then we have my favourite days are days when everyone is happy, which is nice, but due to this American spelling I'm probably going to use that one. Moving on, we have some gorgeous puffy stickers again. See, Trina's listening. I want these in every single colour. So we have a nice ombre effect of some sort of pinks and peaches going on in this. I'm sure I will use those. Then we have some cardstock stickers. So we've got things like Are We There Yet? The Struggle Is Real, Detours Happen, Chasing Dreams, Head in the Clouds, Well Aren't You a Little Ray Of? So lots of nice different sayings in there, which is what I like. So we've got those. Then, oh, pretty. So we've got some really nice leatherette stickers in this month. Let me shake those down. Sorry, a little interruption from family there. But we have some nice leatherette stickers here. So we've got Drink the Wild Air, Disaster Diverted, Happiness and Fun. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that scallop's beautiful. So can't wait to use those. Leatherette and puffy, love them both. Moving on to the 3x4 cards. I'm already liking this first one, very summery. Beautiful filler card. I can see that with one of the leatherette stickers just quite simply across the middle, and that could be it, job done. Oh, but we do have a really nice journaling card on the back of there, so I might be using that instead. Decisions. We have Enjoy This. Again, another lovely filler card, and we've got some sort of raindrops on the back. Nice pink with a little banner. I'd probably use it that way up, but I can see that working again with just another one of these little stickers, and that could possibly be job done. And then we've got Enjoy This, but I do really like that journaling card as well. Blue skies up ahead. Oh, don't we all hope. And then we've got Around Here, More and Less. We've got Wander Often, Wonder Always, and Captured. We've got a nice sort of off-print, sort of stamp off-print design with a nice circle for titles or embellishments, and we've got Feel the Sunshine. Gorgeous cluster of 3 hearts, really like that one as well. And a bit of a different type of journaling slash filler card on the back. We've got Day After Day, and then a nice sort of ticket style journaling. Oh, I like that journaling card as well. So that sort of matches the stickers. Sort of got the ombre effect going on there as well. And then we have a nice black and white. Oh, too many of these, I like both sides. Then we've got You Can't Live a Full Life on an Empty Stomach, and a nice bordered journaling card as well. Apologies if you can hear some motorbike in the background, I'm not quite sure what the neighbours are doing. Then we've got Here and Now, What We Did and Notes, and Main Squeeze. And then we've got a nice blue, and then a nice red one on the back. And now I'm actually wondering if it's a motorbike or if it's a lawnmower. Added in as well, we've also got Joy Delivered, which is the Packed with Love Citrus Twist card, and that's got another section of this sort of journaling card on the back as well. Now for stamps, we did also get, because Citrus Twist have launched a new website, if you re-signed up, we did get these free set of alphabet stamps. So these are gorgeous outline alphabet stamps. Now it was noticed that it was missing the V, so another stamp set is on its way with the V, but I'm sure I'll be able to look at putting this to use before then. And then for the stamps that come with the kit itself, if I can get them to move down so you can see them, we have things like sweatpants, knitting, oversized sweaters, live in the moment, wrapped in love, happy living. So a few different nice words on there, a couple of different fonts, which is nice. Other little embellishments, we have some cork pieces. So we have a little heart that says best, and then we have a stay at home kind of day, and currently in my cup. So I'm sure those can be used. And last but not least, we have the die cuts. Now the die cuts actually don't have them all detailed on the back this time, which, to be fair, I tend to go through them anyway. But let's just move the stamps up. So we have some little stars. We have tabs that say go on adventures, if I can get hold of a chunk. So we have hey in a word, and then we have girl. Hey girl, like that. You're my free spirit. It was a bold move. And we've got some tabs and some tags. I'm really liking layering tags on journaling cards at the moment. So we've got a couple of those, and they've got some nice grid lines for journaling spots. When life gives you lemons. And then we've got taco night. Might not use that one. We've got tabs and labels, and I'm not quite sure if I think that has another letter. That would make a lot more sense. Yes, so we have the word fun. We've got beginner's guide, wild child, this side up, some little hearts, explore the unseen, and a lemon. Then we have some more tags and some flowers. I do really like using flowers on my project line spreads. I find they're a different shape. I think that's what I like. We've got some more tabs. We've got life was meant for good times and good friends, feeling no regrets, and road trip. We've got a little wooden heart that you can pop out, and it says the word you. We've got much needed, tempted, really, another tag, another heart. We've got more tabs, little I love you tabs and labels, Rome, and again more little shapes. And then we have let's get this over with for those different days. Up in the clouds, I'm running on empty. Then we have life happening, taking chances, never stop looking up. Cute little bird, I like that. We've got tabs, flowers, hearts, and more tags. We've got lots more hearts and stars over here as well, but we've got labels, counting my lucky stars. We've got a bigger heart in a gorgeous wood grain. We have fierce soul, you are my sunshine, and happy. Then we have We Came, We Saw, We Loved, Be Curious. Oh, we've got a nice big label. This really happened, yes girl. And again, that's in the ombre, very, very similar to the letters. We've got Let's Run Away, It Matters, and Hello. Another label. And then we've got Living the Dream. And then just on here now, we've just got a few more little hearts and stars. A wood grain theme running without, but with a different hints of colours. I'm not sure if you can see those, but they're all sort of wood grain effect, but with colour as well. So that is my Citrus Twist kit for April. Must say, I am absolutely loving this kit already. I mean, look at those spring colours. Let's just hope the spring weather follows. You may be able to hear lawnmowers in the background. Apologies if you can, considering it was torrential rain yesterday. That's my excuse for not doing my garden, but I'm sure there are people that are, well, there are people that are definitely doing theirs. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you want to see what I get creating with this kit, please hit the subscribe button, and if you want to keep seeing the unboxing videos, then please hit the like button, and I know that people want to see more. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.